Among the best dash cams in 2025, these dash cams offer incredible features to enhance your driving experience and security. In this video, we'll explore top-rated options, providing clarity on their unique functions, performance, and value to help you choose the right one. All these dash cams links are in the description below. Number 20, VIOFO A229 Pro 4 KHDR Dash Cam. This dual camera setup provides front and rear coverage with high-resolution recording, offering clear details both day and night. It features advanced sensors and HDR technology to enhance visibility in varying light conditions. The hands-free voice control allows for easy operation, ensuring focus on driving. With multiple parking modes, it captures events even when stationary, adding an extra layer of protection. A fast Wi-Fi connection enables seamless access to footage via a companion app, while GPS logging ensures precise location and speed tracking. Loop recording manages storage efficiently, and an emergency lock safeguards critical footage. This system is a reliable option for drivers seeking comprehensive security, enhanced recording quality, and practical features for convenience and safety. Number 19. Cobra SC 400D. An advanced dash cam system offers ultra-clear 4K resolution for capturing detailed footage of the road ahead and behind. With dual camera functionality and the option for an interior view, it ensures comprehensive coverage. Built-in smart features like live police alerts and navigation notifications enhance driving safety. The emergency alert system sends critical details to contacts in case of an accident, while the app allows seamless sharing of incident reports. A live view option lets users monitor their vehicle remotely for added security. The included Wi-Fi and GPS features provide easy access to footage and precise location tracking. This device combines high-quality recording, safety tools, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for a reliable driving companion. Number 18. Vantrue N43 Channel Dashcam. For those looking for comprehensive coverage, this device features a three-way setup capturing the front, rear, and interior of vehicles in high resolution. The front camera records in 4K, ensuring clear visibility of road details, while the interior and rear cameras offer adjustable angles for flexibility. Infrared night vision enhances low-light recording, ideal for rideshare drivers needing detailed footage. Continuous parking mode provides round-the-clock monitoring, activating with motion or impact detection. Built to handle extreme temperatures, its supercapacitor ensures strength in harsh conditions. A G-sensor secures critical footage during accidents, while loop recording manages storage efficiently. Easy to install, it offers reliability and essential features, making it a valuable option for safety-conscious drivers. Number 17. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. When looking for a small and effective option, this camera stands out for its hidden design, mounting behind the rearview mirror with minimal visibility. It records clear 1080p footage with a 140-degree field of view, ensuring broad coverage in various lighting conditions. Voice commands simplify tasks like saving recordings or snapping photos. Connected features allow videos to be uploaded to a secure vault via Wi-Fi for later review. The parking guard feature offers monitoring and alerts for incidents while parked. Remote live viewing and app integration enhance convenience, supporting multiple cameras for better awareness. Built to handle extreme heat and sunlight, it also includes a dual USB charger, making it a functional choice for modern drivers. Number 16. REDTIGER F7 NP Dash Cam. A dual recording system that captures sharp visuals with a resolution of up to 4K in the front and 1080p in the rear makes this device a reliable companion for drivers. Its wide viewing angles reduce blind spots and ensure detailed event records. Using a specialized lens and advanced imaging technology, a well-designed night mode enhances clarity in low light. With Wi-Fi connectivity, users can manage recordings through an intuitive app. Additionally, the built-in GPS tracks routes, speeds, and locations, offering precise data in case of incidents. Features like loop recording and impact detection ensure important clips are securely saved, while the parking monitor provides continuous coverage when stationary. It ensures safety and documentation on the road. Number 15. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. Giving drivers a comprehensive solution, this dual camera system records in 4K from the front and 1080p from the rear. The wide angles ensure that both sides of the vehicle are captured clearly. With advanced sensors, it provides great video quality even in low light conditions, while the large aperture allows more light for better clarity. Equipped with fast 5G Wi-Fi, the system supports quick video downloads, and users can easily manage recordings through an app on their devices. GPS integration adds real-time speed and location tracking, while built-in features such as loop recording, collision detection, and a supercapacitor enhance performance. Parking mode with motion detection offers added security when the car is off, ensuring constant protection. Number 14, Nextbase 622 GW Dashcam. Modern car safety relies on advanced dashcams offering exceptional features for drivers. This device provides ultra-clear 4K recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring crucial details like license plates and signs are captured with precision. It supports multiple recording options, including 1440p at 60 FPS and 1080p at 120 FPS, while also enabling full HD rear footage. Equipped with night vision and enhanced image stabilization, it delivers outstanding clarity even in low light or foggy conditions. The built-in location technology ensures precise tracking, useful for emergencies or assistance without needing internet connectivity. Additionally, the voice assistant offers hands-free control, helping users play music, get directions, or manage smart devices effortlessly. Its seamless connectivity simplifies video sharing. Number 13, Miofive S1 Ultra. This advanced camera offers exceptional 4K front and rear recording with 30 frames per second, delivering clear visuals and precise details. Its dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ensure quick smartphone connectivity, allowing real-time video access and management. The large aperture lenses and night vision technology capture sharp footage even in dim conditions, enhancing road safety. Equipped with a reliable supercapacitor, it resists overheating and ensures consistent performance in various environments. Built-in GPS records, accurate locations, and speeds, while the wide viewing angles provide comprehensive coverage. A 24-hour parking mode with collision detection and time-lapse recording adds extra security. The included accessories, such as a memory card and mounting tools, make installation and use effortless for any vehicle type. Number 12.70 Miofive 10. This advanced dash cam offers impressive 4K video resolution, capturing clear details with dual front and rear cameras. Equipped with HDR technology and a high-performance sensor, it ensures excellent night vision and optimal exposure in all lighting conditions. Its built-in GPS tracks speed, location, and time, providing valuable driving data. The system includes smart app control for instant video access and editing, and seamless Bluetooth connectivity. Advanced features like ADAS offer real-time lane departure and hazard alerts, enhancing driving safety. The 24-hour parking mode and AI motion detection monitor your vehicle when stationary. Loop recording automatically overwrites old footage, while an emergency button secures critical moments, ensuring uninterrupted protection for your journeys. Number 11, Cobra SC 201. With full HD resolution, this dual lens dash cam captures clear footage of the road and interior, offering complete coverage for enhanced safety. Equipped with Wi-Fi and GPS, it delivers real-time alerts for red lights, speed cameras, and traffic updates. Infrared LEDs ensure clear interior recordings, even in low light. Drivers can plan routes using keywords or addresses and receive navigation prompts for safer trips. The system also allows sharing incident details and videos with insurers, and sends emergency alerts to contacts during accidents. Compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto enables seamless integration for viewing routes and alerts. A 16GB memory card is included, making this dashcam an excellent choice for dependable road monitoring and protection. Number 10, Garmin Dashcam Live. High-definition video capture with a 140-degree lens provides clear footage day and night, ensuring reliable monitoring. This dashcam offers continuous recording with GPS data for precise location and time details. Real-time alerts for collisions, lane departure, and speed cameras help promote safer driving. The live view feature, accessible via a smartphone app, enhances awareness with 24/7 surveillance. Parking guards notify users of incidents affecting parked vehicles, adding extra security. Voice control allows hands-free operation, letting drivers save clips, capture images, or adjust settings effortlessly. Videos are securely stored online for easy access and sharing. Designed to handle extreme conditions, this device works seamlessly out of the box, including a quick setup and usage memory card. Number 9, Planet Halo IROAD Pro FX2. In all driving aspects, this dashcam delivers dependable recording with full HD clarity, enhanced by a Sony sensor for detailed visuals. Its wide-angle lens covers more road area, while night vision and GPS tracking add practicality. Safety features include automatic shutdown during low battery or high temperatures, ensuring reliable operation. Multiple recording modes, driving, parking, and events address diverse needs. Driver assistance features like lane departure and vehicle movement alerts enhance road awareness. Time-lapse recording and Wi-Fi connectivity make footage easily accessible via a mobile app. The package includes essential accessories like a memory card and mounting tools for hassle-free setup. Made in Korea, it combines performance, safety, and ease of use for comprehensive driving security. Number 8. BOTSLAB G980H Dual Dash Cam. Covering essential driving needs, this dash cam offers 4K clarity on the front lens and high-definition recording at the rear. It uses advanced Sony technology to capture vivid details, even in dim lighting. Wide-angle lenses ensure broader coverage, accommodating up to 6 lanes. Equipped with advanced safety features, including real-time alerts for lane departures and nearby vehicles, it enhances driver awareness. Parking protection mode records incidents when the car is off, preventing theft and damage. Built-in GPS tracks route and speed, while emergency locking preserves critical footage. Reliable design includes a supercapacitor for power stability and temperature resistance. Easy installation and seamless Wi-Fi connectivity make it a practical choice for dependable performance and safety on the road. Number 7. DDPAI 5 Dual Dash Cam. This dash cam offers top-tier recording with 4K front and 1080p rear clarity, ensuring sharp visuals. Using advanced voice commands, drivers can easily capture photos or videos without distractions. A large aperture and night vision technology guarantee clear footage even in low light, while loop recording saves space by overwriting old files. The built-in G sensor detects collisions or sudden braking, locking critical footage securely. GPS integration tracks routes, speed, and distance, making long trips convenient. Its 24-hour parking monitor, activated by radar or motion, provides reliable security when the car is unattended. With built-in 5G Wi-Fi and app control, previewing and downloading videos is seamless. The included memory and expandable storage ensure ample space for all recordings. Number 6. WOLFBOX X5. This advanced dash cam offers triple channel recording, capturing front, rear, and interior views in sharp 4K resolution. Its HDR technology enhances visibility, ensuring clear footage in various lighting conditions. Night vision capabilities deliver exceptional low light performance, supported by a high-quality image sensor. Voice commands provide hands-free operation for tasks like locking videos or switching cameras, while a touch screen simplifies manual controls. Built-in GPS tracks routes and locations, aiding in evidence collection during incidents. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows fast video access via a user-friendly app. Parking modes include time-lapse monitoring and collision detection, ensuring safety during idle hours. With included memory storage and expandable options, it offers reliable recording for long trips or daily use. Number 5. Nextbase 222 X Dash Cam. Some of the top dash cams provide dual camera functionality, offering front and rear recording in high definition. A compact design allows for easy installation with features like a 2.5-inch screen for viewing recorded footage. Recording at 1080p and 720p ensures clear visuals, while intelligent parking modes enhance security when the vehicle is stationary. The device supports a wide-angle view of up to 140 degrees, paired with a specialized lens for better light capture. Essential features include loop recording to manage storage, night vision for low light conditions, and G sensor technology to detect sudden impacts. The rear camera module easily connects to the main unit, ensuring seamless integration for enhanced safety on the road. Number 4. Transcend DrivePro 250. Featuring 1440p 2K quality at 60 frames per second, this dash cam ensures clear video recording and sharp images. The device includes Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling real-time footage playback and easy downloads via a dedicated app. Its windshield mount offers simple installation, making it suitable for various vehicle types. Built-in GPS enhances functionality by providing precise location data, while its compact design ensures convenience without obstructing the driver's view. With night vision capabilities, it delivers reliable performance in low light settings. The internal memory stores important recordings securely, while live streaming through mobile devices adds flexibility. Designed for front and interior coverage, this camera is an excellent option for enhanced road safety and monitoring during every journey. Number 3. Car and Driver i2 Pro 4K Dash Cam. Maximizing safety on the road is made easier with this advanced dash cam offering Ultra HD 4K video for clear recordings of every detail. It features a 170-degree wide-angle lens to minimize blind spots, capturing critical elements like road signs and license plates. The device includes a responsive touchscreen for seamless control and a built-in G-sensor to secure important footage during unexpected incidents. A supercapacitor enhances durability, while motion detection and parking mode add versatility for stationary monitoring. The package includes a suction mount, wire management tools, and a 16GB micro SD card for automatic recording. Its USB connection ensures compatibility and support for up to 512GB storage, allowing extended use without frequent file management. Number 2. Escort MAXcam 360C. An advanced dash cam offers comprehensive road safety and recording capabilities, featuring exceptional detection range and precise filtering for accurate alerts. It provides 360-degree awareness with directional arrows identifying threat sources. Equipped with QHD 1440p video resolution, it captures sharp footage using a high-performance sensor even in low light. The device includes safety-focused features like emergency alerts, incident reports, and parking modes for added protection. Cloud integration enables secure video storage, easy editing, and sharing via a mobile app. Compatibility with Apple CarPlay allows seamless display of routes and alerts on supported screens. A 16GB SD card ensures immediate use, while its user-friendly design prioritizes safety and convenience during journeys. Number 1. Vantrue E360 Ace Dash Cam. This advanced camera offers a 360-degree panoramic view with 5.2K resolution, capturing every detail around the vehicle. The dual sensors provide clear footage even in low light, while the rear camera ensures no blind spots. Its handheld mode adds flexibility, allowing seamless recording beyond driving. Enhanced night vision, powered by infrared lights, ensures sharp images in darkness. Features like 24/7 parking monitoring, motion detection, and buffered recording protect against incidents. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS simplify video sharing and data tracking, offering location and speed details. A touchscreen enables intuitive operation, and voice commands enhance convenience. Designed for easy installation, it supports up to 512GB storage and provides consistent updates, ensuring reliable performance for various needs. That's all for this video, thanks for watching.